Welcome to Cars Zone, your go-to source for the latest car reviews. Today, we're diving into the luxurious, powerful, and stylish 2025 Infiniti QX80. We'll explore its stunning exterior, lavish interior, impressive performance, and wrap it up with our final thoughts. Let's get started. Exterior. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is a true statement on the road. Its bold front grille, now redesigned with a more prominent mesh pattern, perfectly complements the sleek LED headlights. Infiniti has also introduced new 22-inch alloy wheels, giving it a commanding presence. The updated LED daytime running lights and taillights not only improve visibility but also add a touch of modern elegance. And don't forget the range of new colors this year, including the eye-catching Moonlight Opal and Eclipse Black. The QX80's sculpted lines and chrome accents make it look both rugged and sophisticated. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by sheer opulence. The 2025 QX80 offers plush leather upholstery with diamond-stitched patterns, available in multiple color options like saddle brown and graphite. The cabin is all about comfort and technology. The redesigned dashboard features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Infiniti's latest infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Second-row passengers get captain's chairs, while the third row is spacious enough for adults, a rarity in SUVs. Plus, the cargo area expands up to 95.1 cubic feet with the seats folded down. Ambient lighting, open-pore wood trims, and a 17-speaker Bose sound system elevate the luxury experience to a whole new level. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 QX80 is powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine delivering 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. It's available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, and the towing capacity is an impressive 8,500 pounds, perfect for hauling a boat or trailer. With updated adaptive suspension, the QX80 ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road trails. Behind the wheel, the QX80 feels powerful and composed. While it's not the most fuel-efficient at 14 mpg city and 20 mpg highway, the performance more than makes up for it. In conclusion, the 2025 Infiniti QX80 is a luxurious and capable full-size SUV. It blends a bold design, a tech-filled cabin, and robust performance, making it a top contender for families and adventurers alike. If you're in the market for a premium SUV that stands out in every way, the QX80 is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.